Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So if it's the first time you joining, welcome to my channel. Great to have you here. So today I am going to do another eye look, and this time I'm going to use the palette from EBIN from the beauty supply, and it is Midnight Dessert, you guys. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I am going to use on my eyes today. So before I get into this color, I am going to show you what the color remind you what the color look like again. So I am going to go into this color first, and this is a sort of a pigmented, really dark shade here, and it's very pigmented. So I am gonna go in with it, and I'm just gonna put it here. You can see how that color looks. Okay, my friends, so I am back with my final look from the EBIN eyeshadow palette from the beauty supply, Midnight Dessert. Look at this color, you guys. You know, the funniest thing about it, that I did my foundation and everything before, and I don't get any follow from this eyeshadow. So this is my final look, you guys. I am in love with this palette. This palette is so beautiful, it's pretty, it blends so nicely, everything. And these are the color. I use this underneath the eye as an eyeliner, and I also use this to help blend out any harsh edges. So this is the eyeshadow palette, 7 coming, you guys. Amazing color. I love the look, love how it turned out. Don't have on any lash, just some mascara. And I want to say thank you so much, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified.